Amti Dal is a tangy and sweet dal that's best enjoyed with Jeera rice. And if you're looking for a light meal, this is something that you can enjoy at home. So I'm going to show you guys a very delicious Amti Dal with a quick Jeera rice recipe. So let's get started and check it out. For the Amti Dal, I'm taking 1 cup of Toor Dal. 1 cup is a 250 ml cup. Wash the dal a few times, add it to the pressure cooker. To this, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon Asafoetida powder. Pour enough water such that the dal is completely immersed in it. Pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles on medium flame. The dal is cooked. Next, I'm going to temper a few ingredients for the dal. For this, take a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now, you can either use oil or ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, add a few red chilies, add a few curry leaves. When the mustard seeds start crackling, transfer the cooked dal to the kadai. Pour half cup of water. Next, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Goda masala. The link for the Goda masala is given in the description box. Seasoning the dal with a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. After adding the Goda masala, let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of powdered jaggery. Soak a ball of tamarind in a cup of water. This has been soaking for about half an hour. I'm just going to take 2 tablespoons of tamarind puree. Next, add 1 large green chilli chopped. Mix everything. Let the dal cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. The dal is done. Finally, garnish it with some freshly grated coconut and some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove. This simple Amti Dal is ready to be served. Next, I'm going to cook the rice. For this, take a pot, pour enough water. Once the water comes to a boil, add a teaspoon of salt. For the Jeera rice, I've taken 1 cup of long grain Basmati rice. Wash it a few times. Boil the rice till it's completely cooked. The rice is cooked, turn off the stove, strain it. For the Jeera rice, take a nice wide pan. Add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. I'm adding 1 large green chilli finely chopped just to give it a little spice to the Jeera rice. Now, this is optional. Add the cooked rice to the pan. Gently mix it. Turn off the stove. Just garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Serve the Jeera rice hot along with the Amti Dal. Hope you enjoyed this simple and wholesome Amti Dal recipe with Jeera rice. The recipe with the Goda masala is given in the description box. You can check that out. So do try this recipe and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.